Figure you guys can come with me on my afternoon chores. The boys are in town doing some errands, so it's just me. So I do my evening chores. You can come with me. Those geese saved the day today. I heard them out here. I heard them out here hollering like that. I looked out and there was a black-headed buzzard circling the chicken pen. So thanks guys, good work. Turkeys, turkey lurkeys. You guys are good. You don't have any. You got water, you got food. You guys are good. That turns off the electricity. So electricity comes down this line. So this is still hot. Comes here, goes up to there, up there, and then splits and either goes across and then down this fence line, or it goes over here and then down this fence line. But that little switch allows us to turn off the electricity without actually turning off the electricity. So now we can work this whole field without getting shocked. But I don't have to go unplug the fencer. So we're gonna go check on the sheep. So these are the girls, these are the mamas. Got about 30 out here. They got plenty of water. And they got minerals. I can see the shadow of the minerals in there. So they got plenty of water and plenty of minerals. They got their tubs. Girls look good. You say hi, Ruth. You gonna come get a scratch? This is Ruth. She's our little pet sheep. She's pretty sweet and friendly. She likes her scratches. You're a good girl, Ruth. Hi, 154. You're going to be a very good sheep. Well, hi, 109. You're awfully friendly. You're a good girl. You want scratches? No, not brave enough for that. But I'll come sniff ya. That's good. We'll take it. Ruth says you can give me her scratches. Give me her scratches. That's it? Am I done? You want more? You want some? Not sure. Gotta think about it. Probably not. No? Getting yours on the mineral feeder. That's okay. I don't take offense. That's my old girl. That's an old sheep right there, but she's a very good sheep. Gets good nutrition, so she's lasted a long time here. All right, girls. You guys look good out here. You got plenty more to eat. We'll move you tomorrow. So that's what they came off of. This is what they got. They got moved this morning. They're going to that next. So they got some more work to do out here tonight. See, sheep in the backyard. Sheep, house. Sheep in the backyard. Oh my gosh, can you guys see the goats fighting? They're ridiculous. They're a mess. They're playing King of the Hill over there. Turkey. All right. I'll stop being distracted. And turn the fence back on. So it makes contact there. And it's all turned back on. Ta-da. Feed shed. Tour of the feed shed. Quick tour of the feed shed. Okay, that's it. It's small. If you blink, you missed it. Look at this. You guys got grain already. You guys are piggies. Backyard sheep. Girls! Look, they're all upset because they didn't get any. They're hollering because they didn't get any grain.